Ever spent 20 minutes scrolling all the way back up a busy text channel just to find a funny meme or a specific link from 6 months ago? Stop wasting your time. Today on Techavro, we are showing you how to master Discord's advanced search filters to find any hidden message in just a few seconds. Let's make you a search ninja. First, head over to the top right corner of your Discord interface layout and click inside the search bar box grid, or just hit Ctrl+F on your keyboard. Once the search bar expands, you will see a drop-down menu with magic search filters. Let's break down the best ones. If you remember who sent the message, type "from" followed by their username. If you want to search inside a specific room, type "in" followed by the text channel name. Want to find a video or image? Type "has" and select link or file. And the ultimate lifesaver, if you know the exact timeline, use "before" or "during" followed by the date parameter string. You can even chain these filters together. For example, typing "from sale in general has" link will instantly pull up every single link your body shared in that channel. If this high-speed navigation tutorial saved you from endless scrolling loops, smash that like button and subscribe to Techavro for more clean tech guides. See you in the next one.